If your WordPress website suddenly redirects visitors to spam sites, shows strange ads, or Google says, "This site may be hacked," your website might be compromised. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to recover a hacked WordPress site step by step so you can quickly secure your website. Step 1. Change all passwords. First, change all important passwords immediately. This includes your WordPress admin password, hosting account, FTP login, and database password. Always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication if possible. Step 2. Scan your website for malware. Next, run a full malware scan using a WordPress security plugin or your hosting security tools. The scan will help identify infected files, malware scripts, and suspicious activity on your website. Step 3. Remove suspicious users and plugins. Hackers often create hidden admin accounts or install malicious plugins. Go to Users, All Users, and delete any unknown administrators. Then, check your plugins and themes and remove anything suspicious or unused. Step 4. Clean infected files. Check important WordPress folders like WP admin, WP content, and WP includes for unknown files. Remove suspicious scripts or restore your website from a clean backup if available. Step 5. Reinstall WordPress core files. Download the latest WordPress version and replace the core files on your server. This helps remove hidden malware from corrupted system files. Step 6. Update and secure your website. Finally, update WordPress, plugins, and themes to the latest versions. You should also install a security plugin, enable a firewall, and schedule regular backups to protect your website from future attacks. Recovering a hacked WordPress site can be stressful, but by changing passwords, scanning for malware, removing suspicious files, and updating your website, you can restore your site quickly and safely. If this guide helped you, like this video and subscribe for more WordPress security and website tips. And if your website has ever been hacked, share your experience in the comments below.